Hi, I'm Holst and I'm the corresponding author of the paper Intensity-Based Stochastic Model of Terrestrial Laser Scanners. So what has been known since several years is that there is a relationship between the intensity of the laser scanner and the standard deviations of the ranges. And this dependency can be expressed by three parameters, A, B, and C. So this well-known relationship we can assume as state-of-the-art. But still there are several key contributions we derive with our study here. The first one is we derive a standardized workflow in a lab environment to determine those parameters A, B, and C. Second, we make a comparative analysis under scientific criteria how much those parameters vary for the same type of instrument. And with this we also address the third challenge is answering the question, is an instance calibration or a type calibration the better choice to derive the quality of your instrument? And you might ask yourself, is this relevant for me? Well, I would say yes, this is indeed relevant if you want to know if you can achieve an accuracy for the range measurements rather than the range of submillimeters, or how much it depends on the scanning rate that you use your laser scanner with. So all in all, if you're interested in more content, please check our paper that is published open access, and you can find it under this QR code. Bye-bye.